This is a 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie package 5.7. We just installed some nice 5-inch black tips. Took the factory 4.5-inch tips off of there, and this fills up the hole real nice there. Also gives it a better tone. Left the resonators on there to help with the drone, but installed a single chamber V-tube muffler. Adapter pipe there, and left it all stock up front. Give it a good rumble without getting all the drone going down the road. Real popular setup for us. Let's see what it sounds like. That woke it up quite a bit. Got a good rumble to it, nice and smooth, not all that straight pipe gargle.